Balik sa GMA Regional TV Live mga kapuso nining bag-ong tuig 2021 unsa may kapalaran nga nagpaabot alang kanatong tanan daghan siguro ang nagpangutanan ini ug unsa sab ang atong mamahimong mabuhat aron mas makadani pa og buenas nining bag-ong tuig kana atong hisgutan mga kapuso sa spotlight karong buntaga. Makauban nato ba si Destiny og Feng Shui consultant Master Judith Eugenio. Good morning, Master Judith.
Good morning, Nico.
Thank you so much for joining us. Happy New Year. Kumusta, Master? Unsa may mamahimo na tong mabuhat aron pag-usher in og good luck alang kanatong tanan niining 2021.
Sa amo ang system, there are three ways or there are three factors on, three factors of human success or failure, or what we call, as per Chinese metaphysics, the cosmic trinity. No? So this is the heaven luck, the earth luck, and the man luck. So tuno ni siya ka factors na kinahanglan i-align nimo imong kaugalingon to be able to really enjoy your luck in 2021 or in the years to come. So ang heaven luck, Nico, is your destiny chart, imong destiny. This is actually called Patsu. This is a system where I can read your luck in 2021 based on your birth date and birth time. So, kung kabaw ka kung unsay in store for you in 2021, mas makapanagal ka, mas makaprepare ka, and mas maka-maximize ka if you know that you are in good luck. The second one is earth luck, your Feng Shui. If you have good Feng Shui, that will also, let's say for example, in 2021, you want to transfer or you want to make sure that you have good energy, so you have to choose a good place with positive energy flow. So muna ang kaduha. Ang ikatulo is man luck, your mindset, your action, your planning. Inaction is also your man luck. So these are the three things na dapat nimong mahibawan para let's say, mas maayo imohang 2021. Okay, you know what? People would say, I don't believe in my destiny, destiny. I don't believe in Feng Shui. What I believe is just hard work. Basta mo trabaho lang ko, sige na kong trabaho, okay na. But that is actually true. Pero kung you know what exactly is coming for you, mas makapreparar ka, mas makastrategize ka.
Master, admittedly, the previous year, 2020, has been very challenging. Dili lang di sa Pilipinas, worldwide. In what way can we, in a way, Master Judith, help mitigate the negative effects sa previous year?
Daghan yun na affected, pero dili tanan actually na-affected sad. Okay? 2020 was the year of the young metal yin water rat. Okay? So metal and water. So katong mga tao na favorable sa ilaha ang element na metal and water actually made more money than they can ever imagine. So sa heaven luck na daan, makabaw na ta kung if it's a good year. Kaya kung good year siya, I would also advise na maximize. Maximize, there will be more opportunities and all that. So mas makaprepare sad ka.
Master, on another note, tuig 2021 unsa man ni siya nga year of which animal ug unsa may characteristic ani?
Okay, so 2021 is the year of the yin metal, yin earth, water ox. Okay. Earth ox. Okay. So remember, Nico, that 2020 is the year of the young metal water. So metal was breathing organ, water was the virus. These are the elements that actually, represented by these elements. Fear, and then, it was very fast. It's like water, tsunami, the virus really, paspas kaayo ba? Ox actually is a yin earth element. But inside the yin earth ox is also water. So naagyud gihapon tay ma-expect na kung whatever it is that happened in 2020, it would still continuous gihapon. Not as much as 2020, but we can really say na naagihapon good. At least until July 2021. Yin metal magod is the element of, ang positive characteristic magod sa yin metal is more of like a jewelry. No, it shines, it's brilliant, it's graceful, murag it's beautiful ba. But then again, in the negative note, it's also a very very cold element. So I'm seeing a little bit of danger also. There's also some, it's bleak ba. It dili sad siya kaayo pa iyana ka murag ball of sunshine ba, dili sad siya inana pa. Plus below that is yin earth ox, so naay water gihapon. So it's kind of cold year, plus weak kaayo ang fire sa 2021.
Master, is there such a thing as lucky color para karong tuiga 2021?
I don't subscribe to that. Luck colors is not Feng Shui. It's also there's also no impact. It will not also change your luck, even if let's say based on your paths, fire is favorable for you, but it does not change anything. What changes you is when you take proper action.
Master Judith, sa mga tao na minaw na karon siguro dunay uban nga skeptical pa sa kini destiny reading, maghisgot og feng shui, unsa may masulti nimo nila?
Maybe there's a reason why naminaw sila karon. Why they're watching this. It's because it's about time for them to open their eyes. Now, there is such thing as path system. And for Feng Shui, maybe they had this wrong misconception about Feng Shui, na it's about bracelet, it's about colors, it's about trinkets. You buy this, you buy that, you put it in the southeast, tutu and all that. Feng Shui is the study of the energy in a given space or environment. Okay? Nothing more, nothing less. Period. Sa tanan namin o na watch, nanaw. So try to, maybe open your mind. It's nothing to do with religion, nothing to do with spiritual. It's all pure energy.
All right, thank you so much. We learned a lot from you this morning. Ug Happy New Year kanimo Master Judith Eugenio. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.